Exercise during pregnancy can have numerous benefits, including improved mood, reduced pregnancy discomfort, and enhanced overall well-being. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new exercise regimen during pregnancy. Here are some generally safe and effective exercises for pregnant women. Number 1 is walking. Walking is a low-impact cardiovascular exercise that can help maintain overall fitness during pregnancy. Number 2 is swimming. Swimming is a great full-body workout that is gentle on the joints and helps relieve swelling. Number 3 is prenatal yoga. Prenatal yoga focuses on gentle stretching, breathing, and relaxation techniques that can help improve flexibility and focus on exercises that don't put excessive pressure on the abdomen. Number 5 is stationary cycling. Stationary cycling can provide a safe cardiovascular workout while minimizing stress on the joints. Number 6 is low-impact aerobics. Participating in low-impact aerobics classes designed specifically for pregnant women can help maintain cardiovascular health and muscle tone. It's important to keep the following safety tips in mind while exercising during pregnancy. Stay hydrated. Avoid exercising in high temperatures. Wear comfortable clothing and supportive footwear. Avoid exercises that involve lying flat on your back after the first trimester. Listen to your body and don't overexert yourself. Avoid activities with a risk of falling or abdominal injury. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program during pregnancy. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and the specific needs of your pregnancy.